Hey Channel Insiders, I'm Katie Bavoso here for Partner POV On-Site at Scale Computing Platform 2025 in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm speaking with IT innovators and partners from all over the globe today, including this gentleman right here. We have Nathan Davidson. You are the Vice President of Partnerships at 5-Star Technology Solutions, a Scale Computing partner. Welcome.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
I'm very excited to talk to you today because you have spent 10 years at 5-Star. This is a company that really specializes in the EdTech space, providing solutions to schools in the K-12 vertical. But I know it's very special to you in particular because you spent many years in the EdTech space leading IT teams and initiatives there. I want to know, what is maybe one challenge about serving that particular vertical that not many people know about, and how does Scale Computing rise to the occasion as a vendor partner for you?
I don't want to oversimplify this answer, but I think the biggest challenge is who is served in the K-12 community, and that's students. Those students are the future of our country. So if the network is not working or there is some failure within the server or the network infrastructure, that has direct impact on student learning. The reason that the Scale solution is so impactful is the job of a CTO is immense. It's a large technology stack to support, potentially staffing. So when you think about, well, where does the Scale solution fit in the midst of an instructional day, the fact that there is cost savings achieved, there is simplicity in maintenance and support, and the fact that the support team at Scale is so impressive, all of that means time, efficiency, and resources gained back essentially go back to students and teachers.
It's such a great topic, and I think about the value that you two present together, Scale Computing and 5-Star Technology Solutions. You've been partnered together for about 3 years now, I believe. What benchmarks do you typically point to say this is how we show the differentiator since becoming a Scale Computing partner?
Right. So I think the logical answer would be to say, well, we're going to look at revenue, which can be part of it. But in the Partner Power Hour, I spoke to 5 C words, and those are commitment, communication, collaboration, capital, TAL, and collective trust. We have a commitment to working together and a commitment to serving the K-12 community. We have amazing lines of communication. So from text messaging to mobile phones to integration within our Slack channels, we collaborate regularly through webinars, through events, through QBRs, a number of different ways. And then from a capital standpoint, we share our own resources. So the Scale team feels like an extension of ours, and that's invaluable. All those together means that we trust each other. And I think that trust, when I say collective, it's mutual. We have complete 100% trust in the Scale team. They have trust in us. And just being here at Platform, the first thing I heard from meeting a number of my Scale folks that I interact with is, oh, 5-Star, you guys are awesome. And that's really heartwarming, and it shows that we're doing something pretty powerful together.
I would agree with that, because even though you've only been a partner with Scale Computing for 3 years, you did win the Partner Momentum Award last year at Platform.
Correct.
Talk to me about what that meant to you, not only as a business, but what does it mean about the commitment that you're making to your K-12 customers?
Well, I could tell you, last year was the first year that we attended Platform. And the Momentum Award was the very first award that was announced. I jumped up like we had won the lottery. That's how much it meant. And I think when you're recognized by a partner for the good work that you do, and not just as a company, but together, it means a lot. It's not anything that we strive for. It's a result of the strength of the partnership.